Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to have this group. There are 8 boys and 5 girls. We are going to select 2 children, one after another, without replacement. This means that after we selected the first child, that child do not go back to the group, and we are going to select the second child. Okay? This means that the total number after we selected the first child changes. In fact, it reduces by 1. So before we go to solve the required question, let us zoom into this tree diagram and you can see that the total number, which I'm going to highlight, has changed. Originally is 13. After we have chosen the first child, the total number for the second child would reduce by 1 to 12. Okay? Then as we look at each branch, the probability changes. See, So if the first child we are going to select is a boy, originally is 8, but if the first child is a boy, I've chosen this boy out. How many boys are left in the group? Yes, 7. Okay, and I still left with 5 girls because girls we have not chosen them out yet. That is the scenario. Okay, if the first child that I'm going to choose is a girl, at first is 5. If I have chosen the first child to be a girl, means that what happened to the number of girls? Yes, reduced by 1. And the number of boys still remain as 8. Okay, so this is how the probability diagram looks like. So this is, and then we can just dwell on the question now. Find the probability that both are boys. Then it will have to be this outcome, meaning that I'm going to have this multiplied by this to get me the answer. Okay, so you can see that the answer is simply the first child is a boy and the second child is also a boy. I only need this branch, so I multiply these two probability to get me the answer, 14/39. But if they only want one child is a boy and the one child is a girl, but they never specify specifically that the first child or the second child they need it to be a boy, then for this particular example, then it can either be the first child is a boy, the second child is a girl, or the first child is a girl, the second child is a boy. So rightfully, I would then need this probability, which I'm going to multiply 8/13 multiplied by 5/12. I also need 5/13 multiplied by 8/12. And after that, I add these two probability together. That's why you will see this answer here, where I need to add the individual branches probability and also to add these two probability together. That will give me 20/39 And that will be the answer for part B. Alright. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.